you.
Candy. The heck? Hi. Look at the dogs. Oh, Poppy! No, come back, Poppy! No! No! Poppy! Even though I really can't see that well because of the
You never do all the trick or treat.
Hmm?
You never do all the trick or treat.
No. Candy. Okay, now I can tell my buddy. Okay, now I can see better. Yay. If someone just give me anything, I can't really stab. Thank you. Here we go, trick-or-treating!
Are you going with Trip?
Hmm?
Okay, I thought you said...
No!
Are you getting everything, or are we just getting like Halloween?
I'm getting...
Don't be like Amanda last year. She didn't get me at all. Or you, or anyone.
Oh, I know.
Everyone's back.
No,
like
I'm getting pretty much everything.
There you go.
The only thing you're not seeing is some of the sides. It's actually interesting. It just had some parts that's really like right here. I can't really see that well because it's glare. But that's about it. That's because I'm good at this. Amanda hasn't like mastered it. I might do some help.
There you go.
Yay. Okay.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Bye. Got it. Yeah. Yeah. You could just grab things for me because I can. Yes, there it is. And me, Martha. Yay. No, listen. Go again, go. Huh? Oh. Oh. Some particular areas. Whoa. Anyone home? No? I guess not. Hmm? There it is. Yeah, look first. Yay!
You look like a mascot.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Bye.
That's pretty much.
I look like a mascot, do I?
Really now? Obviously. That's what I said. Cha-cha. Cha-cha. It's kind of obvious. Oh, and even more can lose that. Oh, yeah. And fluffy. What the hell? And I can't see anything there. There's people coming on our alley? Yes, there is. People coming. Whoa. Oh no, a dog. Cut some of this pot out that I have. I had to fix myself a little.
Ow!
Okay. Let's go. There's no one. Go. No responding. Ew, you see this? Oh. Next house. Yay! I can't adjust myself very well. But I have a bag here, you know.
Good.
Okay, the butt.
Good.
Thank you.
Happy Halloween. Boy, you're dressed good.
I didn't know dogs can eat candy.
I can eat candy, I can't eat chocolate.
This is true. So you better make sure tonight, when you check out that candy, to remove all the chocolate part.
Okay.
That would be very tedious.
There's a stuff here, okay?
Huh? Okay, I see it.
Oh, this is weird. Why is it like that?
I don't know. Ugh. That is a weird step. It's a dangerous step. Very dangerous. Let's go. There's no one here.
Careful.
I know. You know what it is? Because it has that little stupid... That wouldn't be bad.